Want to sew this elegant dress with a perfect sweetheart neckline and a smooth aligned skirt? It looks high-end and boutique quality, but the pattern is actually very simple to draft for beginners. I'm Ladybirdesigner, and today I'll show you how to master this fitted silhouette step by step. Subscribe and let's start drafting. We can do this part of the neckline in two ways. Either cut it as a straight line, or like me, divide the line in half, mark about half to 7 millimeters downward, and curve it. The other way is to do the opposite, divide the line, go up half to 7 millimeters, and slightly curve that straight part. The choice is yours. It's completely a matter of preference. This dress is cut at the waistline. As you can see, the underbust dart is divided into two sections. We close the lower section to create the curved skirt. The upper section and the side dart are sewn directly on the garment. First, I slightly adjust the underbust dart of the bodice so that when I place the pattern on the fabric, the desired section is cut correctly and precisely. And as always, to sew the side dart, it must be exactly 2 centimeters away from the bust point. That's why I shorten the dart by 2 centimeters. Now, as always, I write down all the pattern details right on each piece. This is one of the most important principles of pattern making. If you follow it, you won't face any confusion or issues during cutting and sewing. Now it's time to add the dress length. Remember, as always, you can find the dress length measurement in the description. I always write the dress length, sleeve length, and all the important details for you there, so be sure to take a look. As you can see, the front pattern is now completely ready. Now that we've prepared this pattern, it's time to design and draft the back pattern. As you can see, our back pattern is now ready. Don't forget, the zipper should be sewn at the center back of the dress. Now, as always, to draft our sleeve pattern, we first need to compare the front and back armhole with the sleeve cap curve. Wherever it's short, we add to it. I've already explained this technique in the sleeve drafting video. If you need it, you can watch that tutorial along with all the detailed tips in the playlists and learn it professionally. Now, after you've adjusted your armhole measurement, it's time to design the sleeve itself. If you want your sleeve to be a bit more shaped or wider, you can add half to 1 centimeter to the sides. This completely depends on your preference. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to take your sewing and pattern making to the next level, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Your comments really mean a lot to me. Let me know in the comments what other styles you'd like to learn. Until the next video, stay successful, creative, and outstanding in your sewing projects.